Venice looks like a miracle, a city floating effortlessly on water. But what if I told you that beneath its beauty lies a secret foundation so unlikely, so fragile-sounding that it almost feels impossible? A foundation made not of steel or stone, but of wood. And yet it has held up Venice for more than 1,000 years. When people first see Venice, they often ask the same question: how is this city still standing? Palaces, churches, and narrow streets rise directly from the water as if the laws of nature were quietly ignored. There are no visible pillars, no massive concrete supports, just water and a city that refuses to sink. The answer lies beneath the surface, hidden in the dark mud of the Venetian lagoon. Centuries ago, when early settlers decided to build a city here, the ground beneath the water was soft, unstable, and unsuitable for stone foundations. Any normal structure would have collapsed. But instead of giving up, the builders made a bold and unconventional choice. They drove millions of wooden pilings deep into the mud. Tree trunks, mainly oak, alder, and larch, were hammered down vertically, packed tightly together until they reached firmer layers beneath the soft sediment. On top of these wooden posts, layers of stone were placed, and on that stone, Venice was born. At first glance, the idea sounds doomed. Wood in water should rot. It should weaken, crumble, and fail. Yet something extraordinary happened beneath the lagoon. Because the pilings were completely submerged, they were cut off from oxygen. And without oxygen, the bacteria and organisms that normally cause wood to decay could not survive. Instead of rotting, the wood slowly underwent a transformation. Over time, minerals from the surrounding water seeped into the timber. The wood didn't decay, it hardened. In a process similar to fossilization, the wooden pilings gradually mineralized, turning into something closer to stone than timber. What was once a forest became a silent, underwater skeleton, an incredibly durable foundation capable of carrying the weight of an entire city. This hidden forest now supports Venice's churches, palaces, bridges, and homes, structures that have endured floods, wars, and centuries of change. And the most astonishing part, much of that original foundation is still there, doing its job after more than 1,000 years. Venice doesn't float because of magic. It stands because of engineering brilliance, deep understanding of nature, and a solution that worked because it defied expectations. Today, Venice faces new threats: rising sea levels, erosion, and climate change. But its survival until now is a testament to human ingenuity in the quiet strength hidden beneath the surface. So the next time you see Venice shimmering on the water, remember this: beneath the canals lies a forest turned to stone, a foundation you can't see, and a reminder that sometimes the strongest structures are built where no one ever looks.